I know there's nothing I could dream up that would be as beautiful and perfect as the moments before we read these notes to each other. I love you so much. I'm so thankful. I'm so lucky to be a part of your life. You're so special, beautiful, and talented. I can't wait to build a family with you in the future, and I look forward to all the journeys that we take together. It's a beautiful life. I love you.
When I look at Rachel and Drew, and I see two best friends who are perfectly matched. I see a couple that's full of love and respect for each other, and I see two strong individuals. I see a loving team, and it makes me happy, and it fills my heart with joy. I see their grand future, and I love you both immensely.
We've laughed and cried, we took on challenges together, we fought and made up, we learned more about what we wanted out of this life. We committed to a life together, full of love and exploration. And now we say I do, again. While our home of love will never truly be finished building, we've gotten it to the spot that it feels warm and homey and safe. A place we are comfortable and challenged. A place that promotes growth and friendship. A place where we will become parents. A place I never want to leave. And that's how I know that building this home of love with you is the best decision that I've ever made.
It is clear that this relationship can stand the test of time. I am so damn proud of you for finding your person and holding on so very tight. For pushing each other to do better and never losing sight of the fact that nothing compares to this kind of love.
Can't think of a better place for Drew and Rachel's second marriage to each other within 12 months. As I know Colorado holds a special place in their hearts, we are so happy to be here to celebrate the way they originally planned, which includes the company of their friends and family.
Drew, the way that you look at my sister is all that I need to know about how deep and all-encompassing your feelings are for her. Watching you hold her hands and look into her eyes at the first wedding, and then today when you both did it again, nothing has changed. I am convinced without a shred of doubt that your love for her will never fade.
I'm honored to have such a badass sister now. I always look forward to hanging out with you all. Your whole family is awesome, so I can see where that comes from. You two are so lucky, such great friends. All of you all, I mean, I've got to know your friends like brothers as well.
Finally, by the power of your love and commitment and the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.